Bridge. To all my brothers, Big Sentry. Kalau falar pelo Makai. I know you remember this beat from AZ. Poppy College Studio Bay and Yo City. If you know, you know. You know. We try to holler at a dime piece. Trying to make you say, ooh, we took in the moment. In the moment. But when you fall in love all over again, it's who y'all was bumping on the radio. Y'all already know AZ for sure. I got you twisted off my island ladies. With your boo or doing your thug thing. But I knew that shit would happen. It's nothing new to see. Kept pushing out the baby music, now the lane you don't see. First started me in Fiji, 3 plus party BET. Now books in the figure was called busy comedy. And babe, keep pushing the envelope every day. C-Dro, style, trendsetting. Where they get their swag from us. Many duplicate but can't be touched. I love the band. Where they get their swag from us. Many duplicate but can't be touched. How many people from Frisco? I love the band. Every Psycho, California. West Side G's. All minus you cannot see me. Every Psycho, California. West Side G's. All minus you cannot see me. One of the originals right here, man. Gotta get your paper. Gotta get your paper. Taking all you haters in the bay. Keep pushing the envelope every day. In the bay. Innovating styles, trendsetting. Where they get their swag from us. Many duplicate but can't be touched. I love the band. Where they get their swag from us. Many duplicate but can't be touched. I love the band. From AZ, Poppy College through the Bay and Yo City. If you know, you know. You know, you know. We tryna holler at a dime piece. Tryna make you say, ooh, we do in the moment. In the moment. When you fall in love all over again, it's who y'all were bumping on the radio. Y'all already know AZ for sure. I got you twisted off my island ladies. With your boo or doing your thug thing. But I knew that shit would happen. It's nothing new to see. Kept pushing out the baby music, now the link you all see. First started me in Fiji, 3 plus party BET. Now books in the finger was called busy comedy. So yeah, keep pushing the envelope every day. In the bay, innovating styles, trendsetting. Where they get their swag from us. Many duplicate but can't be touched. I love the band. Where they get their swag from us. Many duplicate but can't be touched. I love the band. Yeah. Gotta get your paper. Gotta get your paper. That's right. I love the Bay Area, man. This is where we originated from. You know what I'm talking about?